In this video, I'll show you how to add a scrolling marquee effect to your Shopify store. First, on the left menu, click on Online Stores. Next, you'll see more options like these. Click on to Themes. Then you'll see a current theme and click on these three dots. Then select Edit Code. Now, from the left side, you'll see many options. Click on to Section and add a new section. Next, name this file as Marquee and leave it as liquid and click Done. Once you're done with this, you delete the default code by selecting this and clicking backspace. Next, what you're gonna do is that now copy the marquee code from the description or pinned comment below, which will be something like this. So what you're gonna do is select all of this, and then what you're gonna do is click paste. So all of this will be here, and then click save. Now open a layout folder and search for theme.liquid file. After clicking on this, you'll see these and now click anywhere in the code and then press Control F to search, type body. Now here, scroll anywhere and then click Control F and then here, type body here. Then you'll see they'll take you in a section here. Now scroll to the right or drag to the right, and then what you're going to do is click enter. After clicking enter, copy this part here. Copy this and paste it here. Here, see? Here. Now, after doing that, what you're going to do is now uh, save this snippet and click save, and now you're almost done. Now view your store here. Over here, you should see the scrolling marquee effect on the top. Now to customize the link or text, just click on it. Now here you can click it into add text and then click anything, for example, hi or welcome, and then click enter, and you'll see this, the text or the link will appear here. Now you can link it to collections or promotions by editing the URL and text in the code. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has a clean animated marquee banner. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.